Hi everyone, in this video I'll make a Lazy Susan. The colour facing up will be the inside of your box. I'll begin by folding my paper in half on the diagonal. I'll do this on both sides. I'll flip my paper over and then fold in half on the vertical creases here. I'll continue working on this side, then I'll fold all the corners to the centre. Then I'll use the corner in the centre. I'll fold this backwards to the edge. I'll repeat this on the other corners as well. I'll flip the paper over and I'll fold each edge up to the vertical crease. So that's one done. I'll unfold this and then I'll rotate the paper around to do the other edges. Make these creases really strong, as this will help you a lot in the next part. Lucky last one. By now, you should have an X marks a spot and a nice grid along your paper. The next section involves a bit of manipulating with the corners here. So using those diagonal folds, I'll be pinching these corners together. And the idea is to collapse that square in the middle to make a water bomb base. I had to tell my paper to go the right way for this one, but I got there in the end. So the next step will be to do inside reverse folds on the corners. These just get tucked into each little section like so. Now I'll put my fingers inside the little pocket here. And on the bottom, I'll use my thumbs to gently press and shape to make that little curve which is on the edge of the Lazy Susan. I'll work my way around and shape each of those little pockets. The last pocket now, and now I'm done. Happy folding and thanks for watching. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.